Assalamu alaikum. Today we are discussing about the literal constants. What is the literal constant? And after that we saw that there are four categories. Literal constant further divided into four categories that are integer, floating, and character string. So that was our last video and last lecture. If someone not known and someone have no idea about this, then you can check and watch my previous video, in which we discussed about the constants and types of constants. So here is the four categories. Today we have to discuss integer constants, floating constant, character constant, string constant. First of all, we have an integer constant. Integer constants is basically a numerical value that have no decimal part, like 12, 20, 30, 40. These are the constant having no decimal parts. So these are the integer uh, constants. Okay, so we can write it like this. So this is the constant here. X is not changing because its value is 12. So this is all. And the next one is we have is floating constant. Now you floating constant is same like integer, but the this maybe we can say it's more proper and more accurate, that these are the numeric value having the floating point or decimal points. So these called floating constants. Simple. The explanation is in its name. The integer, we all know about the integer, and float, we all know about the float. So the constant, these are also a numeric value. Numeric value, numeric value having floating point or decimal. Having floating point, numeric value. I have a speed problem value having decimal point. So there is some mistake in spelling, so ignore that. This is all about the floating, uh, and the example is like 12.4, 34.5, so on. Simple is this, no hard and fast rule in this. For like pi, we have pi value, that pi is a floating, its data type is a float, right? You know about it, pi. And that if we use is uh, that is its value is something like 3 point, I guess 1417, yeah, this one. Okay, this is the floating constant. Okay, uh, next is we have the character constant. Next we have that is character constant. So here we are writing that. Okay, the character constant. What is the character constant? Obviously it show by showing the what is in it. This package showing by its own cover. So a single character, digit, or a special character is encoded by a single quotes, quoted by single quotes, is called character constant. Single character, digits, special character, you are quoted into the double quote, single quotation, that is called character quotation. For example, we have like this. Okay, X, right? You can use for, you can use some special sorry, we are going special this thing like this. So this is the character constant. In character constant there is a single character digit and special character each which quoted by single quotations, which is written into the single quotation. So this is called character constant. So now move towards our the last is, oh my god, what's going on? Okay, yeah, we have to copy, not pasting this thing. This is the string constant. In string constant there is a sequence of characters surrounded by double quotation. Sequence of characters surrounded by double quotation known as string constant or string literal. We can write it as like, come on guys, you know how we can write it. For example, we have string, we write, sorry, string greet equal to and double quotation hello friends. Okay, this is the all. Oh my god, I have always this issue with spelling things. See, this is all about the constants. We learn our literal constant. This is the more important. These are used frequently in our programming. So here we covered our this topic. Hope you understand. If you understand and you like the video, you must subscribe, please, and share. Do share my video to your friends and give me some suggestions uh, in comment box that I improve my videos. Thank you so much.